Imagine a workout that doesn't feel like work, one that makes you forget you're even exercising. Welcome to the world of dance workouts, where fitness and fun intertwine in an intoxicating rhythm. Unlock the hidden potential of your body with dance workouts, a unique blend of expressive movements and cardio routines that help you stay fit, while also injecting a heavy dose of fun into your daily schedule. Not only does dance exercise provide a full body workout, but it also improves flexibility, coordination, and mental well-being. Starting a dance workout routine might sound intimidating, but have no fear. Here's a simple step-by-step routine you can start today. Step 1. Warm up with light stretching. Warm muscles are more flexible and less prone to injury. Step 2. Begin with basic dance steps. Whether it's salsa, hip-hop, or jazz, start with the basics. Step 3. Gradually incorporate more complex moves. As you become more comfortable, challenge yourself to try more intricate dance steps. Step 4. Remember to breathe. It sounds simple, but it's easy to forget when you're caught up in the rhythm. Step 5. Cool down with gentle stretches. This helps reduce muscle soreness and aids recovery. Embracing dance workouts brings numerous benefits. It's an effective way to burn calories, strengthen muscles, and improve cardiovascular health. It also enhances flexibility, balance, and coordination. But beyond these physical benefits, dance workouts stimulate the brain, improve mood, reduce stress, and boost self-confidence. In terms of key points, remember to start with a warm-up, begin with basic steps, gradually introduce more complex moves, always breathe, and end with a cool down. To conclude, dance workouts are a fantastic way to stay fit while having fun. It's not just about the physical benefits, but also the mental and emotional rewards. So why not give dance workouts a try? You might just find your new passion and a healthier, happier you.